your sound.
Australia got its own sound in the 60s. From the migrant heartbeat of the suburbs.
That is nothing short of an obscenity.
Over the airwaves came its rebellious call, and soon the whole world was listening.
This could be our next big band.
You just feel it.
They were a machine.
This is it, folks.
It's the sound.
Over the top.
It was the sound of a generation, born from a musical family.
Alberts.
Alberts again.
A sound that killed the cultural cringe.
And are you going to change your style much?
We ain't gonna change for nobody.
The Albert sound.